of course, we did get ticket like other cars. So let's go to see how much. Hello guys, what's up? Croatian travelers are back. So I received a lot of requests. Where is the best beach near Split or Makarska? And I have only one answer. Brela.
Brela is one of the most beautiful holiday destinations in central Dalmatia and captivates with its picturesque location on the Makarska Riviera. With phenomenal beaches, a turquoise blue sea and the majestic Biokovo mountains in the background, Brela is one of the top highlights in Croatia.
Only problem if you are coming to Brela, it's parking. Parking spots are very limited, so we recommend to come early morning. We didn't find parking today, so we park on the side of the street, but probably we will get a ticket.
With a population of about 2,000, Brela is the first town you approach in the Makarska Riviera when traveling down the coast from Split. The allure of Brela is hard to resist, especially if you're a nature enthusiast. It is a lovely town which has long stretches of pebble beaches and crops of pine trees, and it's quieter than Makarska. For these reasons, it's a popular holiday resort, especially with families looking for a relaxing type of getaway.
Brela are located just 10 kilometers north of Makarska, and they have one of the best promenades in this part of Croatia, with a lot of restaurants and shops.
One of the nicest things to do in Brela is to take a stroll along the seaside promenade, the Lungomare. It stretches for over 7 kilometers through Brela and beyond, so you can also use it for more than just a stroll. The town is well placed for easily visiting the other local towns on this part of the Croatian coast, such as Makarska, Paška Voda and Omiš. If you're a nature lover, you can visit Nature Park Biokovo, where you can go on countless hiking routes or day trips to Split and Dubrovnik. On the western side of the beach, there is the Brela stone, a symbol of Brela, the most common motif from postcards of Brela and Croatia. This is the smallest Adriatic island, a lump of breccia, unique in its vegetation on the whole Croatian coasts. Cracks in the rocks with just a minimum of soil offer a place in which these long-lived plants can survive, and Brela's Kamen provides just the most picturesque example. The most well-known beach is Punta Rata, The Punta Rata beach is one of the most beautiful gravel beaches in the world, located in a protected area and covered with pine forest. In 2004, the American Forbes Magazine listed the beach among the 10 most beautiful beaches in the world, along with famous ones such as Copacabana, Saint-Tropez, and the exotic beaches in Belize and the Maldives. Large pine trees can be found at or just behind the beach, so you can always find a shade.
Brela are amazing getaway if you are in Makarska or Split. Our visit is almost done. We have to visit one more very interesting place. So first let's go to find our car and then we are going to Vepric. While we're coming to our car, I see many cars with a ticket. So probably we get one too. Of course, we did get ticket like other cars, so let's go to see how much. It's 250 kunas, but the day parking it's around 160 kunas, so it's not that bad. Vepric is Croatian Lourdes. This is a wooded Catholic pilgrimage site, featuring a Lourdes-inspired cave with an altar and a statue of Mary.
Vepric is like a miniature Lourdes and resembles the French sanctuary in appearance, because it is located in a natural cave, surrounded by cliffs and streams. The sanctuary attracts many pilgrims as well as visitors to the Makarska Riviera who want to see its unique beauty.
And guys, that will be everything for today. Thank you for watching and see you next week from our new destination. Bye!